Welcome to Ricoma Crafts. This is Miss Janet. I'm going to be your host this time, and we're going to go over how to make bridal slippers for the bride. Share, like, subscribe. Let's get started. This is an 8-in-1 device, and I put the sticky paper on it and it's sticky right here. I love these frames. So I'm going to show you how I put the shoe in here. I got the crosshair marked on my shoe and it's Velcroed, so it makes it easier. And just to be secure, I'm going to use my paper tape too, just to hold this down on the sticky paper. Now since my spa shoes is secured, we're using glitter vinyl. This is a new product for Ricoma. You can order this in the link below, so check it out. I'm just placing it on the shoe, and I'm just going to use a little bit of tape to hold it in place. That's all we need. Now, let's take it to the machine. Now we're going to do the trace. We're good. It's on automatic manual because it's going to stop in between the 3 colors. Okay, we did the applique vinyl on the slippers. Now I'm taking the hoop off. Now I'm going to take the vinyl off, and this vinyl is really easy to rip off. There it is. Now we're going to put it back on the hoop and put the little tiara on it. The tiara is just going to be plain embroidery. It's done. I'm going to share a tip with you that I have learned over the years how to save time and save money. I'm going to lift up the shoe from here, and I'm just going to cut this paper around here. You can tear it. And see this little hole right here? I'm going to turn it to the back, and I'm going to patch this. Instead of doing the whole back of the frame again, put the sticky towards it. This is just a little piece of sticky paper that I had left over. So now I can use the hoop again. The frame is facing me, so the left shoe is going to be on the left side of the hoop. And I'm just going to put it down in here, just like that. This shoe says do, and we're going to make an applique again with the glitter vinyl, and the diamond is going to be glitter too. And put a little bit of tape on here to hold it in place. The left shoe goes onto the left side of the hoop, so it will be facing out when we're done. Now, we're going to go ahead and put the glitter vinyl on our shoe. Okay, let's put it on the machine. have to take it off. Let's go to the table. Now we're going to rip the vinyl off. It's so easy to come apart. Now we're going to do the silver for the diamond. You gotta have the big diamond. And we're going to make an applique again with the glitter vinyl. And the diamond is going to be glitter too. It's done. Let's see the end results. We're just going to rip this vinyl off, just like that. Take my tape, tear the back off. We got the do, I do, for the bride. Now remember, this is heat set vinyl. Now we have to press this to heat set it in. I hope you enjoyed this episode. In the link below, you will find a design. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!